Hello, Dr. Hill back. Another video, and guess what we got today? Another meme review. So, it is my Friday, and on a Friday, I decided to take some time out of the golf course or off the golf course to come in and do these meme reviews. The reason why? I love them. They're cool, they're sweet. It's also raining outside. Again, I haven't seen any of these. This is gonna be natural reaction, hence the reason why I'm a little bit nervous about it because I have no idea what they put on this computer, but we're about to find out together. So, let's do it. I don't always floss, but when I do, I have a dentist appointment in 20 minutes. Gosh, if I literally had $1 for every time that I've heard this in my career, I could probably pay off some of my student debt. But I will tell you, it happens all the time. I love this. I even get it from my friends and from my family, literally. They're like, yeah, well, I got a dentist appointment this week, so my gums have been bleeding a little bit. Well, why are your gums bleeding a little bit? Well, I just started flossing this week, so, because I have to go to the dentist. I'm like, okay, well, hey, whatever, to each your own. But my rule of thumb, I would probably try to avoid doing that because hygiene's gonna know, you're gonna get yelled at from the hygienist, the doctor's gonna say the same things, and we just have this same kind of routine and everything every 6 months, every time we see you. So, as much as this meme is beyond true, it's kind of easier if you do it a little bit more frequent so that your visits are a lot easier, and then hopefully you don't have to see us. But this is a great one. Also, I miss that guy. He's a good guy. All right, we're gonna keep it going. You can't stop flossing if you never start. Again, first off, this dude in all the memes, this is like, he's grade A MVP, first ballot Hall of Fame meme guy. I mean, he is awesome. But once again, it's the sad truth of reality of what it is nowadays. Flossing seems to be everybody's hardest thing in the history of the world, and somehow nobody can ever do it. Kudos to the people that do. If you get good at it and you practice it, just like everything else, it goes pretty quick. It doesn't take that long, even though from patients I hear it takes them like 20 minutes to floss, which that I guess could or could not be true. I don't know. Should probably take you about 30 seconds to a minute, if that, if you're doing it right. But once again, I love this guy. I mean, I can't even tell you how many different memes I've seen with this guy, and he's still probably one of my favorites of all time. But it's also, again, it's true. This is just true. I mean, people don't ever floss. I mean, I don't think it's that hard. But again, I might be biased. I'm a dentist. I kind of was taught how to floss, I guess, in dental school. But hopefully you can learn too to make it so it's not a 20-minute issue every night. Oh God, let's keep them going. When was the last time you flossed, bro? All right. This one, okay. I've never seen this one actually, but I'm not gonna lie to you. This one might be top dog for me. Mostly because I can literally hear patients saying that. I have a couple patients in mind that I think, honest to God, said the exact same thing to me. And I think this is phenomenal. This is fantastic because I would say it's far too frequent that this is an actuality of things. Usually it's that, or it's like, hey man, yeah, my gums are a little bit bloody because I flossed this morning. It's the first time I did it since I saw you last year. That kind of thing we get a lot. I like this. The guy's just a straight bro, just being honest, and he hasn't flossed since, I'm assuming, 6 months, which I think is kind of gross, but hey, to each your own. If a dinosaur has good dental hygiene, would he be called a philosopher? All right. I wasn't ready for that one. That's actually kind of good. I'm not going to lie. Definitely have never seen anything like that one. Also kind of cool on the Velociraptor name. Kind of digging that. But I guess that'd be a great name for a dinosaur. I'm not sure how they would end up flossing, but hey, kudos. But that's actually pretty good. And the Velociraptor is kind of I guess I don't know how real badass he'd be out there, but hey man, he'd have nice teeth, I guess, if he was going after some stuff. You say you've been flossing more. The blood you're spitting determined that to be a lie. Love it. Also, great show, funny show. I mean, we all know what this is about, right? Like, yeah, we get it. We won't go into that. But this is great. And again, mostly because when I read this, I read it in Maury's voice, which makes it 10 times more funny to me. And also the fact that I could literally see this being a thing because, I mean, it happens all the time. I make fun of my hygienist a lot because what they end up doing is they're like, yeah, I go into the room after they've cleaned them and everything, and the patient will tell me, I'm actually bleeding a little bit more than I should have. I think your hygienist was actually poking and prodding me a little bit too much. And I think it's hilarious when patients say that, because then I get to make fun of my hygiene, which is always a good time. I mean, you have to do that to have some fun. But usually it's because probably you haven't been taking care of your own teeth. But again, I like hearing stuff like that because then I get to make fun of my hygienist and then we all win. You know, I like that. So, good old Maury. Flossing makes your gums bleed. False. Not flossing makes your gums bleed. Best show of all time, hands down. The Office, love it. Dwight Schrute, one of the best of all time. And once again, all these memes with these people kind of crack me up because in my head, I'm reading it in Dwight Schrute's voice, which is kind of good. But again, The Office, I mean, nothing needs to be said. I mean, I could watch it, which I probably watched this series 25 times. Thank you, Netflix. But flossing makes your gums bleed. False. Not flossing makes your gums bleed. True. This guy's a legend. Says it right, does it right. My man Dwight. If everybody flossed, I'd be out of a job. I think if he was out of a job, he probably is not laughing like that. Probably not having that good of a time if he's out of a job. But I will tell you, and people never believe me on this, I really, really want people to take care of their own teeth so that they don't have to see me. If you come in and just see my hygienist, that's fantastic. That means you're doing your part to be able to not see me. And then everybody thinks I'm crazy for saying that. But in reality, I want you happy, healthy, you know, living a good life, and taking care of your own oral hygiene is a big thing with that. The more you do of that, the less you see me, the better. We like it. I know nobody believes me, but it's actual truth. All right. We knocked him out of the park today. I will tell you though, I'm going to go back to my favorite one. Dwight. Again, he's the man. All right, guys. These meme reviews are awesome. I got to run. I got to hit the golf course. Hopefully it's done raining. I appreciate you all. I'm glad you guys are checking out. Go ahead, like, subscribe, take a peek at it, add some questions, add some comments, throw in some memes if you want. You know, we'll always look at this stuff and always respond. Can't wait to see you guys again.